Tired of being stranded with a dead battery? Introducing the VTOMAN X7, the ultimate roadside companion. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of a powerhouse gadget that could be a game changer for anyone who drives, especially if you've ever dealt with a dead battery or a flat tire. This is the VTOMAN X7 Jump Starter with air compressor, and it's packed with features that make it a must-have tool for your car. Let's get into it. Overview of the VTOMAN X7. So here it is, the VTOMAN X7. Right out of the box, you can tell this is built for both power and convenience. It's a jump starter, a portable air compressor, and a power bank all in one. We'll break down what makes each of these features really stand out. Jump starter features and demonstration. First up, let's talk about what this thing is mainly known for, the jump starter. The VTOMAN X7 is designed to jumpstart gas engines up to 10 liters and diesel engines up to 8 liters. That's huge power packed into a compact device. It has a peak current of 4250A, so it's built to handle the most stubborn batteries. Let's see it in action. I'm connecting the smart clamps to the car battery, which are designed to prevent reverse polarity and protect against things like short circuits, overvoltage, and even overheating. Once you connect it, you just hit the power button and we're live. This is an ideal tool not just for emergencies, but also for preventing those cold start issues in winter or any other time your battery might give you trouble. Air compressor, features and demonstration. Next, let's check out the air compressor function. VTOMAN has designed this air compressor to inflate a variety of things: tires, bike tires, and even sports equipment. It comes with multiple nozzles, making it versatile for almost any inflation job. Simply connect the air hose, set your desired pressure on the digital gauge, and press start. The X7 can pump up to 150 psi, additional power bank, and charging features. Now, let's look at the VTOMAN X7's bonus feature. It's also a power bank. It comes equipped with a USB-C port that supports 60W fast charging, so you can quickly charge your phone, tablet, or even a laptop in a pinch. There are also dual USB-A ports, one of which has a Quick Charge 3.0 capability. Just connect your device and you've got power on the go. Great for camping trips or long drives, especially if you're low on battery or don't have another charging option. Build quality and durability. This thing is built tough. The VTOMAN X7 has a rugged, durable shell that's resistant to water and dust. It's compact but sturdy, and it also has an LED flashlight with multiple modes: strobe, SOS, and steady. It's ready for whatever situation you throw at it. Battery life and charging the X7. One other thing worth mentioning is the battery life. The VTOMAN X7 can jumpstart vehicles up to 50 times on a single charge, and the air compressor can fully inflate around 5 tires before it needs recharging. It takes about 4 or 5 hours to fully charge, but once it's charged, it's ready for quite a few uses. Pros and cons. Pros: high power output for jump-starting gas and diesel engines. Built-in air compressor with digital pressure gauge. Versatile power bank with fast charging ports. Durable, rugged design with flashlight modes. Cons: slightly heavy for a portable jump starter. Takes about 4 to 5 hours to fully charge. Final verdict: if you're looking for an all-in-one solution to keep in your car for emergencies, the VTOMAN X7 is a solid investment. With its powerful jump-starting capabilities, reliable air compressor, and added convenience of a power bank, it's pretty much the ultimate roadside assistance tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and more reviews and tips on the best tools for your garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.